Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As we know, Apple have just launched the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now we are unboxing blue iPhone 13 Pro Max and we're gonna see its camera performance, so just stay with me and just enjoy. It's all about unboxing, and this is sometimes called Sierra Blue. As you can see, its color. By amount, it's sold on $1,099 US. As you can see, in terms of camera performance, iPhone 13 Pro Max has very good quality pictures and videos. So you can just check these pictures and the videos, and you can observe that it is so amazing. So just in the description below, you can just get an Amazon link that you can use to buy your iPhone 13 Pro Max today. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next video.